Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. In today's video and episode, we will explore how the week from October 6th to October 12th will unfold for each zodiac sign. We will look at the planetary influences, key opportunities, emotional energies, warnings, spiritual guidance, lucky stones, charity, and recommendations. And Ismail Azam, the divine name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all interpreted through Ilmul Nujum, astrology, and Ilmul Jafar, the divine numerology. Remember, these insights are meant to guide you, not to define you. Your intentions and effort always shape the final outcome. So, let's begin with our cosmic journey. Each zodiac sign has a unique path this week. Let's see what the stars reveal. For Aries, a general vibe, a week full of movement and change, new opportunities may aware but avoid impulsive decisions. Mars energize you, passion and drive rise. Mercury movement highlights communication and contracts. Venus and Jupiter remain moderately balanced. Caution, avoid emotional reactions and risky financial decisions. Charity, feeds someone in need once in the week and intention with the intention of protection from negativity. Ismail Azam Ya Majido recite 113 times with Duru Sharif, Lucky Stone Ruby. Let's move on to Taurus. General vibe, a stable yet thoughtful week. Focus on long term planning and avoid rushing decisions. Planetary influence, Venus threatens the relationships and beauty. Mars remain weak. Avoid aggression or haste. Saturn holds you accountable for responsibilities. Caution, don't get trapped in arguments or sign deals too quickly. Charity, donate a pair of clothes to some needy people. Small Husna is Ya Karimo recited 113 times with Rushri. Your lucky stone is emerald, bring calm, balance, and love. Next, zodiac is Gemini. For Gemini, general vibe, a communication driven week, great for networking, learning, and travel. Your planetary influences, Mercury empowers your words and ideas. Mars offers energy but may cause restlessness. Sun and Venus remain neutral. Caution, think before you speak. Avoid misunderstanding. Charity, donate something, food to needy person. Ismail Azam Ya Alimo recite 108 times with Dru Sharif. Your lucky stone is blue sapphire. For Cancer, general vibe, emotional tides rise this week. Focus on family comfort and inner peace. Planetary influence, moon governs emotions. Expect mood swings are expected. Venus weakens emotional expectations may fall short. Jupiter brings sportive friendships. Caution, don't react impulsively or take things personally. Charity, gift, or help. An elder or child, Ismail Azam Ya Raufo, recited 108 times with Rushrif. Lucky stone is pearl, brings peace and emotional balance. Next zodiac is Leo. General vibe is confidence, leadership rise, but pride could create conflict. Planetary influence, Sun strengthens your personality and authority. Jupiter supports progress in careers and goals. Saturn may create small challenges. Caution, stay humble, don't impose your views. Charity, donate to an educational cause or mentor or someone or any red thing. Small Azam Ya Maliko recited 108 times. Lucky stone is ruby and or garnet. Next zodiac is Virgo. General vibe is a week of organization and attention to detail. Planetary influence, Mercury brings clarity and structure. Mars remain weak. Rest if you feel drained. Venus stabilize relationship. Caution, don't overanalyze or delay action seeking perfection. Charity, provide medicine, health support to someone in need. Small Azam Ya Hakim or recited 108 times with Rush, Lucky Stone, Aquamarine, or Sapphire. Next zodiac is Libra. General vibe is balance and partnership dominate this week. Planetary influence, Venus enhance charm and connection. Mercury supports diplomatic and discussions. Saturn brings discipline in commitments. Caution, don't make promises you can't keep. Charity, give gifts, donation to orphans or underprivileged children, or support any underprivileged children. Small Azam is Ya Adilo recite 108 times with Durush Sharif. Lucky stone is opal or jade. Next zodiac is Scorpio. General vibe, transformation, secrets, and inner reflection. Planetary influence, Rahu and Ketu bring sudden changes. Mars weekends. Manage your energy wisely. Jupiter adds depth and wisdom. Caution, keep secrets safe. Avoid jealousy or rivalry. Charity, give some money quietly to someone struggling. Small Azam, Ya Zahiro, recite 108 times with Rushri, Lucky Stone, Black Onyx, or Tourmaline. Next zodiac is Sagittarius. The normal vibe is expansion, learning, and exploration. Planetary influence is Jupiter blesses growth and opportunity. Venus balance love life. Mercury favors teaching and speaking or travel. Caution, avoid exaggeration or careless travel. Charity is the sport, education, or donate to learning center. Small Azam is Ya Vasio. Lucky stone is blue sapphire. Recite Ya Vasio 108 times with Dhruv. Capricorn, general vibe, a week of hard work, discipline, and patience. Planetary influence, Saturn strengthens your responsibilities. Mars remain weak, avoid exhaustion. Jupiter offers gradual progress. Caution, balance work and health. Don't overburden yourself. Charity, donate black thing to birds or give black cloth as a charity. Small Azam is Ya Sabito, recite 108 times with Rushri, Lucky Stone, Blue Sapphire, or Garnet. Let's move on to Aquarius. For Aquarius, general vibe, innovation, creativity, and unconventional ideas. Your planetary influence, Uranus causes sudden changes, Mercury expands communication, Venus weakens emotional bonds temporarily. Caution, avoid overthinking and stay realistic. Charity, sport to any like water you can give to any needy person, or something related to air you can give. Your small azam is Ya Rahim, or recite 108 times with Rush Sharif. Your lucky stone is agate or amethyst. For Pisces, the general vibe is spiritual and dreamy phase. You may seek emotional clarity. Planetary influence, Neptune brings imagination and confusion. Jupiter offers spiritual protection. Mercury slows communication. Think before you speak. Caution, avoid escapism or unrealistic expectations. Charity, donate to mosque, temple, or spiritual center. Small Azam is Ya Ghafoor, or recite 108 times with Rush Sharif, lucky stone, green, sapphire, or pearl. And that wraps up our weekly horoscope for October 6 to 12, based on authentic principle of astrology, Ilmul Jafar. Remember, this star inspire, but your choices define your destiny. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more spiritual insight and weekly predictions. Tell us your zodiac sign in the comments and which prediction resonate most with you. And if you want any precious gemstone in real condition or authentic gemstone, or if you want any spiritual resolution of your any problem, or if you want personal birth chart calculation, you can contact me over WhatsApp. Until next time, stay positive, stay inspired, and may stars always shine in your favor. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajal farajahum.